The land where Godman come, the Korean Peninsula. The Korean Peninsula is the womb and core of the world on Earth. In terms of feng shui, the Korean Peninsula is to the right of the African continent and China, forming the inner and outer Ubeko Ubaihu, and to the left of it, Japan and the American continent, forming the inner and outer Jwasyeongryong Zuo Ching Long. In addition, in front, Southeast Asia, including Jeju Island, Taiwan, and the Philippines, and the Australian continent overlap each other to form Ansan. The surrounding terrain seems to perfectly surround the Korean Peninsula. In other words, the Korean Peninsula is a great auspicious site in the form of a protected womb. The Korean Peninsula is the womb of the Earth and the center and core of the world. The Korean Peninsula is located in the female uterus area, but its appearance also resembles a man's genitals. It has both yin and yang aspects. Therefore, the Korean Peninsula is a place of conception and childbirth where yin and yang coexist. So to speak, the Korean Peninsula is the place of beginning, the central soil. Where yin and yang two are combined to conceive and give birth, and it corresponds to the core. Because of the energy of the Korean Peninsula, the people, grass, and fish living on the Korean Peninsula all possess powerful concentrated energy. No matter where you go in the world, there are few people with as strong a will to survive as the Korean people. The fact that our country achieved the industrial development that took Germany 150 years to achieve in just 15 years is not unrelated to the strong energy of the Korean people that originated from the energy of the Korean Peninsula. There is no ginseng with as great medicinal properties as our country's ginseng. And just as there is a saying that fish swimming in the Pacific Ocean taste different when they enter our waters, the energy of the Korean Peninsula is very special. Then why is the Korean Peninsula the only place that has such a strong energy and is the core of the Earth? This is because when heaven created the Earth, it created the Korean Peninsula to play the role of the Earth's core, the place of fruition and beginning. It was designed that way in preparation for the time when heaven would incarnate in human form and come to earth to perform heavenly work of harvesting humanity and opening a new era. Therefore, it is planned and part of the cosmic providence that the creative incarnation will come to the Korean Peninsula. And it can be seen that it was in accordance with the providence of heaven that some of the Wanning tribe, who had the best physical characteristics and brains, came from Sumer and the Tian Shan Mountains to the Korean Peninsula, and that it was also the will of heaven that they gave the Chanbagyeong, which hinted at the coming of a new human being to brighten the world, to the Korean people. As a result, Providence worked for the future of the Korean people to develop indomitable will and perseverance through numerous cries, with the Hongahangan, Jeseewa and the Hyojichung Sinyeomchi. This is because only then can we assume the body of a nation with the most excellent body and beautiful spirit.